Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. How you doing? I wanted to give you guys some quick news on NIO and what their delivery numbers look like. They actually just released their numbers for December 2020, which was they delivered 7,007 vehicles for the month, which is 128% increase over last year. And I think it's like 100 or something increase over a good amount increase over November. I don't know, but I'll leave the stats here. It's really good news for NIO for you guys that are holding. You guys know that I love NIO, but I really only play options. I don't really play too much of, I'm not really holding too much of NIO. I did buy a while back. I think I bought a couple $100 of NIO, but really it's only been playing options for NIO. This might be the catalyst to shoot it all the way back up towards the $50 level. I'll do another TA on NIO today and then just update you guys on that. But as of right now, this video is solely just for the statistics and for the stats on what their delivery numbers look like for December, for the full year of 2020, and I think for the year-over-year growth. So I'll see you guys later, and I'll drop those stats here.